Big Bang Theory, Big Crunch Theory, life on Earth. What does it all mean? Andy, do you know? You're right. I should call my colleague Steph to set the facts straight. I'm sure she knows everything about the Big Bang.
Hi, Steph speaking. Okay, let me tell you. I'll show you some key scientific ideas about how our universe and solar system began. The Big Bang Theory and Edwin Hubble's discovery. The Big Bang Theory says that about 13.8 billion years ago, the universe began as a tiny hot dense point and has been expanding ever since. In the 1920s, Edwin Hubble, using a Hooker telescope, observed galaxies whose light was redshifted, showing they were moving away from us. The farther a galaxy, the faster it moves, proof that the universe is expanding, supporting the Big Bang. Later discoveries such as cosmic microwave background radiation in 1965 gave stronger evidence that the universe really did start from the explosive beginning. Oh, there's the Earth. It's all formed now.
Right.
The Earth looks so beautiful. Wait, is that Dexter? I'll go see what he's up to. Bye!
Thanks, Steph.
Hi, Dex!
Oh, hey Steph. I've been just collecting some rock samples for my research.
That sounds like so much fun! Come to think of it, what are the rocks of the Earth?
Let me show you. The Earth is made up of four main layers: the inner core, the outer core, mantle, and the crust. The center of the four main layers of the Earth is the inner core. A solid ball of iron nickel. It is extremely hot and under so much pressure that metals can only vibrate. Next is the outer core, a layer of hot liquid metals like iron and nickel. It's responsible for creating Earth's magnetic field. Above that is the mantle, the thickest layer and made of hot semi-molten rock called magma. Its movement causes the Earth's plates to shift. And lastly, the crust is the outermost layer where we live. It's solid, thin, and made of rock. Together, these layers make up our amazing planet Earth.
Hello guys,
Hey, Anne.
Hi, Anne!
I overheard your conversation earlier. I've also been studying all about the Earth's layers recently, and I'd like to add to your conversation. Specifically, I've been researching the Earth's subsystem, across whose boundaries matter and energy flow. Our Earth isn't just one big system. It's actually made up of four smaller systems that all work together. These are the atmosphere, which is the air, the hydrosphere, which is all the water, the geosphere, which is the land, and the biosphere, which is all living things. They're connected and matter like water or nutrients, and energy like sunlight or heat flow between them. For example, sunlight warms the ocean in the hydrosphere, which changes the air in the atmosphere, and that can affect plants, animals, and the people in the biosphere.
So basically,
Hey,
Whoa,
what the
that's
heck?
crazy.
guys, have you ever wondered if there's another planet that can support life for the human beings and the living things like ours? Or maybe there are another living things outside of this planet? Here I am to answer your questions. Earth is the only planet that can sustain life. Why? Because it's the only planet that has a vast ocean, a breathable atmosphere, a magnetic field that shields us against harmful solar radiations, active tectonic plates that recycle nutrients and stabilize the climate of the Earth, and has an ideal orbit in the Sun's Goldilocks zone for a moderate temperature, a size that balances the gravity and retains its atmosphere, and a large moon that stabilizes its tilt.
Wow, thanks for the bath. I really needed that.
What about the end of the universe? Is there something behind it? Hold on, let me call Karl.
Professor Karl speaking.
I know a lot of things about the origin of the universe, but I'm not really sure how it ends. Do you know what's the end of the universe?
Excellent question. Let me tell you what I've been researching lately. Scientists believe that the universe could end in several ways, based on studies of cosmic expansion and dark energy. The most supported theory is the Big Freeze, where the universe keeps expanding and eventually becomes too cold and empty for life. Another idea is the Big Rip, where accelerated expansion tears everything apart. The Big Crunch, once popular, suggests the universe could collapse back into a dense point, but current data shows expansion is speeding up, making this less likely. Observations from missions like Hubble and Planck support the continued expansion theories. But yeah, those are the possible ways the universe might end. It is very fascinating, right Andy? Oh, hi Steph. Didn't expect you to come back so soon.
Karl, you've been talking to yourself and a rock this whole time.
And you yourself. Oh!